Parts required: Arduino board, breadboard, jumper wires, 10K OHM resistors, 220 OHM resistors, push button, USB connector, LED.
Connect pin A to one leg of 10K OHM resistor and connect the same resistor leg to Arduino pin 2. Connect the other resistor leg to the GND rail and connect the GND rail to the Arduino GND. Connect pin B on the switch to the plus B volt rail and connect this rail to plus B pin on the Arduino.
Add the LED to your breadboard, connecting the longer positive leg to Arduino pin 13 via a 220 OHM resistor and the shorter leg to the GND.
Place your push button in a breadboard.
In this sketch, you assign a pin for the push button and set as input and a pin for the LED and set it as output. The code tells the Arduino to turn the LED on as long as the button is being pressed, completing the circuit, and to keep the LED off when the button is not being pressed.
When the button is released, the circuit breaks and the LED will turn off again.